Hi everyone, on 3 News Now, Chief Meteorologist Mark Stitz. Today marks the beginning of Severe Weather Awareness Week 2024. So each day the rest of the week, meteorologist Tim Schmidt and I will be updating you on some of those topics you may not have heard of for a while and kind of review some of the safety information on different types of severe weather. Well, today's focus more about severe storms and how we notify you of the potential of those storms multiple days in advance. So first off, we'll start with the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. This is just an example, not a forecast for this week. But you notice those areas in green, that's a 1 of 5 on the threat scale. As you move into the yellow area, a 2 of 5 on the threat scale, and then that brown area, a little bit more risk of severe weather, that's a 3 of 5 on the threat scale. And we'll show you these multiple days in advance as we think that severe weather ingredients may come together in our area. Now, the day of severe weather, then, the National Weather Service will issue a watch, either a severe storm watch or a tornado watch, depending on what we're expecting. Now, that basically means that those conditions, the ingredients for severe weather, have come together at that point in those areas. And that's issued for a pretty large area, half of Nebraska, half of Iowa, or a combination of the two. And that's going to last for multiple hours until the severe weather threat has ended. Now, when severe weather actually begins to happen, that's when a warning is issued. A much smaller area impacted by that, just where the severe weather is, whether that be hail, the strong winds, or potential tornado. So maybe 1 or 2 counties at a time, and that's going to be in effect for less than an hour while that severe weather is happening in those areas. So how do you know there's a watch or a warning? Well, of course, we'll keep you right here at Channel 3 updated. The information will be at the bottom of your screen for any watches and warnings. And of course, if it's a serious enough situation, we'll be keeping you updated on air as well. NOAA Weather Radio, another great option to keep you updated, especially because those things will go off in the middle of the night, hopefully wake you up if a warning is issued. And of course, battery backups on those, always good for power outages. And that's why we say have multiple ways to get warnings and keep updated, just in case the actual severe weather knocks one of your options out. Smartphone apps, another great option, including our Storm Shield app. That'll notify you of any watches or warnings, assuming you have notifications turned on. And a reminder at those outdoor warning sirens, they're just that, for the outdoors. They are not designed to wake you up in the middle of the night when you're inside your house. They're just not that loud enough in most parts of the city. So for the rest of the week, we'll keep you updated on other topics like hail, tornadoes, and flooding. Hopefully you'll see those as well.